Edward here at EdwardJDavis.com, where your money, marketing, and mindset matter. Today I have your Monday money, marketing, and mindset message. Let's get into it. I'm trying to get you ready for your week. Your money message is you need to make sure that your money is working as hard as possible for you and that your money is outpacing inflation and taxation. That means you should only have the minimum amount necessary in a passbook savings account or an interest-bearing checking account, because if you have excess funds there, that money is not working hard enough for you, and in actuality you are probably losing money. What that means is this: inflation, simply put, is $5,000 today can't buy the same amount of stuff as $5,000 10 years from now because of inflation. The cost of living is going up. And so if you are not making sure that your money is in an interest-bearing account that's outpacing inflation, then not only are you not making money, you are losing money, because $5,000 just under your mattress is going to probably only buy you about $3,000 worth of goods 5 years from now. So make sure that your money is keeping up with inflation and the amount that you'll be taxed on that money once you decide to withdraw it and start to spend. Your marketing message is don't try to be a jack of all trades on social media. This means that you need to find one, no more than two social media platforms to push your brand. You won't be able to effectively work 3 or 4 different types of social media at the same time. You're going to do a very poor job, and if a person is trying to follow you on something and they haven't heard from you on that platform in 2 or 3 weeks or even a month, why bother? You're not sharing anything, you're not engaged, you're not involved, you're not adding value. So you need to be very clear about where your audience is and target that specific platform for pushing your brand. Your mindset message for the week comes from Oprah Winfrey, who once said, "If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough." What this means is you should never operate from a mentality or a position of deficit and lack. You should always operate from a position of surplus and abundance. If you act in that way, you'll always have more than what you need, and the universe will always respond positively. If you act from a position of deficit, you're going to always be in need, you'll never have enough, and things will never go your way. Have a success, powerful mindset, and carry that with you throughout the week. This has been Edward at EdwardJDavis.com, where your money, marketing, and mindset matter. We're getting your mindset. Like, share, subscribe. See you next Monday.